Join me as I dive deep into the mystery of whether there really are hidden secrets after death. The concept of life after death has been a topic of fascination and debate across cultures and beliefs for centuries. From ancient civilizations to modern times, the idea of what happens after we pass away has been a driving force behind many spiritual and philosophical discussions. It's a question that has sparked intense curiosity and speculation, with various theories and interpretations emerging from different corners of the world. Skeptics argue that there's no concrete evidence to support the existence of an afterlife, and that it's a concept born out of human fear of the unknown. They point out that despite numerous claims of near-death experiences and paranormal encounters, there's no empirical evidence that can be verified or replicated. Moreover, the lack of a universally accepted definition of consciousness and the human soul makes it even more challenging to study and prove the existence of an afterlife. Many scientists and philosophers also argue that the brain's activity ceases to exist after death, which implies that there's no continuation of consciousness or existence. This line of thinking suggests that life after death might be nothing more than a comforting illusion. Near-death experiences, or NDEs, have been reported by people from all walks of life, with many describing similar sensations and visions, such as feeling a sense of peace, seeing a tunnel of light, or encountering deceased loved ones. Some people believe that these experiences provide evidence of an afterlife, while others argue that they're simply a product of brain activity during the dying process. The scientific community has proposed various theories to explain NDEs, including the role of neurotransmitters, brain regions, and oxygen deprivation. However, the exact mechanisms behind these experiences remain unclear, leaving room for interpretation and speculation. Personal accounts of NDEs often share a common thread of transformation, with many people reporting a newfound appreciation for life and a reduced fear of death. One of the most compelling stories that have captured the public's imagination is that of Pam Reynolds, a woman who underwent a rare type of brain surgery called a standstill operation, where her heart was stopped and her brain waves were flatlined. Miraculously, she reported experiencing a near-death experience during the procedure, describing a sense of separation from her body and a journey through a tunnel. Her story has been widely cited as evidence of the possibility of consciousness existing independently of the body. While skeptics argue that her experience can be explained by the brain's ability to recall memories and emotions, her story remains a thought-provoking example of the complexities of human consciousness. The case of Pam Reynolds continues to inspire debate and exploration into the mysteries of the human experience. In conclusion, the mystery of what happens after death remains a profound and intriguing question that continues to spark debate and exploration. While there's no conclusive evidence to prove or disprove the existence of an afterlife, the various perspectives and experiences shared across cultures and disciplines offer a glimpse into the complexity and richness of human existence. If you've got your own thoughts on life after death, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more mind-bending and thought-provoking content.